Got my Revive Superfoods package. Let's check out what's inside. So right on the cover, on the flap inside, there's instructions on what to do. It says, easy there partner, we've got some cold dry ice in here. That's how we make sure that your superfoods stay frozen. After unpacking your box, set it aside in a well-ventilated area, leaving the dry ice as is inside. It will disappear on its own, just like magic. Oh, you can see some of the ice on there. Okay, there's a warning making sure that you do not touch the ice because it's dry ice. Just leave it in a ventilated area and then it will melt on its own. Here's the dry ice. I don't know if you can see it's steaming a little bit. And then in here we have our smoothies. This is our Pink Dragon Ready to Blend smoothie. Liquid Gold Mango, Blue Cacao, Grass is Greener Pineapple, Strawberry Zen, Acai Twist, which is raspberry and blueberry, Matcha Maker, which is apples and matcha, Hint of Mint, which looks like chocolate and mint. Ooh, this is gonna be my favorite. This one has cauliflower and coffee called Morning Mocha. Interesting. We'll see. So I'm gonna go ahead and put them all in my freezer now. So there's actually a lot of ingredients in there. It's all listed out on the side. For example, this has banana, blueberries, kale, dates, avocado, sunflower seeds, cocoa, pea protein, and matcha, or maca. So step one is to fill your cup to the rim with your preferred liquid, and they said that they use almond milk, so that's what I'm gonna use as well. Step two, toss all the contents into a blender and blend it smooth. This is actually my NutriBullet, so I'm just gonna toss it in here to blend. So everything's frozen. Not too much smell. Smells a little bit like vegetables, actually. So that's what it should look. So definitely some pieces in there. I don't know if it's supposed to be grainy like that or more smooth. Let me just blend it a little bit more. Maybe because of my blender, it's a little bit coarser too. There we go. Still a little grainy, so you're drinking and eating at the same time. But it tastes pretty good. You can definitely taste the banana in there. Ooh, now I taste a little bit of the chocolate. It's kind of like every bite you get something different, which is cool. So yeah, so that is the Revive Superfoods smoothie.